I don't know a single line of programming code, but in last 10 minutes, I built a fully responsive 3D cyberpunk system monitor, mechanical keyboard, audio tester, and relaxing ambient sound machine. So how? By using a completely official 100% free AI agent sitting right inside my code editor. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon Q Developer inside VS Code to build gorgeous, fully functioning application using nothing but conversational English. And if you guys stick around, we are going to build a brand new matrix theme crypto tracker from scratch using a single prompt. So yeah, let's get started. So first go to the Google and you can search your Amazon Q Developer. So this is the website that you guys wanted to create your account, but you guys don't need to do that. So very first thing is that you will need to install VS Code if you haven't already. So go ahead and install VS Code, and then simply open the VS Code, just like a brand new. And first thing is that, yeah, obviously you will need to set up the folder if you haven't. So you can click on open folder and you can simply right click here and then click on new and create a new folder. So let's say this is for YouTube tutorials. I'm just going to create a YouTube folder and select the YouTube and select the folder, and you guys are inside. So we are going to create a brand new matrix theme crypto tracker. First thing is that before we do anything, we will need to add some extension here. So you need to click on this little cube icon over there. So just click on this extension and then search here Amazon, and you will find Amazon Q. So click that, and you guys will need to click on install and just trust the workplace and install. And it's that simple. This will install you. So once you guys have installed, you will instantly see you will have this Amazon Q. You will also see some kind of notification going on over there. You can see the notification over there as well. So you will need to click here, and as soon as you click on this side, you will need to log in your credential. So just go ahead and create an account, and you can sign in with your Google account or whatever you guys have, and you should see this stuff like chat, code issue, or notification. All right, so once you guys are here, you can also see that now we have access to Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4, Claude HiQ 4.5, DeepSeek, Mini Max, and GLM, and as well as Queen 3 coder. So you guys are able to use everything on here. All right, every model here is a free, and you guys can use this as an agent mode. You can also use this as a chat mode as well. So you can just basically turn this off. So if you guys wanted to do like agentic coding, turn on. All right, so now I'm just going to give this single prompt here. Guys, before we do that, you need to create a file. So I'm just going to create an HTML file here. So click on this Explorer and right click, new file. I'm going to give this like matrix.html. all right, and this is how it should look like. And go back to your Amazon Q. So now here is a massive pro tip to save you from getting stuck. All right, so Amazon has an automated agent mode where it tries to write a file straight into your local directory. But if you are building like a heavy graphic component, the agent extension can sometimes buffer or get stuck loading. So to prevent this, we are not going to let agent run auto. We're just going to tell it like output a normal copy paste text block right inside the chat window, because it's a safer, completely stable, and lets you see exactly what you guys are doing or what you guys are deploying. First, you need to select the model as you want it to. So I'm just going to use Sonnet 4.5, and I'm just going to paste the prompt to build the matrix. All right, so now I'm just going to Control V to paste here. So you guys can go ahead and find this prompt exactly on my description down below, so you can try it out. All right, so now just hit on this enter button and it should give you the code right there. There we go. So let it load. All right, so in case if the code is not completely written, you can just type here continue generating, and it should completely write that. And guys, all you do is copy by clicking on this button, and simply you can paste on your generated matrix.html or whatever you guys have. So I'm just going to paste it and save this file. Now I'm just going to right click on this, and we are going to open this on my Brave browser, so revealing this on my Explorer. So this is the file. Boom, A completely customized interactive digital rain crypto hub running perfectly in your browser. No expensive dependencies, no complex frameworks, just a pure code generated by your free assistant. This is the power of a new AI wave. You don't need to spend months learning programming syntax to turn your ideas into a fully working visual software tools. If you want the exact prompt templates I used to build this matrix layout, the 3D Harvey console, and a smart typing tool, or the sound machine, check out the description down below and drop a comment. Let me know what tool you want to build next. Hit that subscribe button and I will catch you guys in next tech tutorial. See you in next one. Peace.